Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Hoover H3W48TA4 8kg washing machine. What I want to today is to show you around the washer some of the features and benefits that it offers. Just before I start, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up. First of all, I'm just going to measure the washing machine, show you the dimensions on it. So on this one, the width is 23.5 inches or 60 centimetres. The height of it is 33 inches or around 84 centimetres. And the depth, so front to back, including the pipe work needed to install it, really you'll be looking at around 49 centimetres or around 19.5 inches to the front lip here. Or if you want to include the door as well, just shut that, then really looking at around 22 inches or around 56 centimetres. So this machine is actually pretty slim compared to other machines on the market, but nevertheless I would recommend, if you're going to purchase any washing machine, just have a quick measure, because there's nothing worse than purchasing a machine, trying to install it, then realising it doesn't fit. As you get the machine switched on, you'll notice you've got a really nice clear red LED display on the right hand side here, and that will display the time duration of the program. Also, you've got indicators to show you the spin speed and also the temperature on here. But this first program, One Touch, is linked to the Hoover Wizard app. And the idea is you download the Wizard app onto your phone or tablet, and it just gives you extra functionality to help you along your way with the washing machine. I suppose the first one is Voice Coach, so it's a guide to help you choose the ideal cycle with the only 3 voice inputs, so things like clothes and fabrics, colour and then stain level, and it will actually pick a program recommended for you. Then you've got extra programs, you can download and launch new washing programs. Then you've got Clever Care, and this is where you've got a clever checkup on auto hygiene cycles and troubleshooting guide as well. And the last thing is the reports, and basically with the reports that you can download statistics and tips for more efficient washing. So that's really good. I'll quickly go through some of the programs that we've got to offer. First one is the cotton program. As you can see, some of these programs can be quite long, and at 2 hours 50, it's quite a lengthy program, but you will find with things like the cottons and especially the Eco 40 to 60 that these are very, very energy efficient programs, well, especially the Eco 40 to 60. And you can find on some of these programs that are quite long that the washing performance will be a lot better than on some of the quick programs around here, which I'll show you in a bit. But you will find that things like the water and electrical consumption on this program, the Eco 40 to 60, will be a lot more energy efficient than on either of these programs, the cottons or cottons and pre-wash. And if we just go back to that one, the pre-wash as well as the cottons program, then it adds a bit of extra time, so you're looking at just over 3 hours. As you come on to the next program, then you have still got the option to wash the full load of 8 kilograms in this for this wash, because quite a few of the programs you can only wash a smaller load. But on this one, this is really designed to be washing different fabrics together and different colours as well. So whether it's cotton, synthetics or mixed fabrics, you can wash those all together at 20 degrees. So it's a very, very low temperature and very energy efficient wash. The next one, the mixed load, and that again allows you to wash different fabric types and different colours all together, but it will be normally at a higher temperature. But you've got the option to change the temperature on here. So on this program you can go all the way up to 60 degrees and then just bring it back down to 20 if you wanted to. And if you take it off, then that will just wash in the temperature of the water that's arriving into the machine. If I make my way back up to one of the other programs like cottons, then I'll just show you that things like the spin speed, you can go all the way up to 1400, then through 1000, 800, 400, or you've got the no spin option at the end. As you come down to the bottom here, you've got the drain and spin, and also the rinse as well. So if you've hand washed something, or if you just wanted to give something a quick rinse and then spin, you've got a couple of options down here. Next option is the wool and hand wash, and with this one, this is a program that performs a wash cycle dedicated to woolen fabrics that can be washed in the washing machine. I know for some people they get a little bit nervous about washing woolens in there, but machines nowadays are a lot better than they used to be, so they shouldn't ruin the fabric. Of course, if you select the wrong program, if you put them in on a high temperature like one of these, then there is a good chance that it will ruin it. But the maximum capacity on that program is only 2 kilograms, and that's why it is essentially a very short program. Next one, the delicate program. With this is a program that has reduced periods of drum rotation during the cycle, and it's particularly suitable for washing delicate fabrics. With this wash cycle, it rinses and carries out a high level of water to ensure the best performance. Then the next one is the sports program, and this is specifically, put my teeth back in, it is specifically designed to wash mixed sportswear fabrics that can't be washed on hotter programs. So things like your football kits, your rugby kits, they tend to be made of a certain material, and it's a really good program for removing the dirt and stains that you can get when you're playing these sports. Then the next one is the dark colours, and again this program is designed to wash a mix of all dark garments, and then it avoids the loss of colour and the formation of creases. I recommend using liquid detergent for this program. You can obviously use things like gel pouches or powder, but for this specific program then Hoover recommend liquid detergent. Next program is in the care section, and with this you've got the allergy care 60 degrees. So this program offers through cleaning of all cotton items, sanitizing and eliminating bacteria. It's an efficient high temperature washing cycle, and it is recommended for small loads as well. As you come onto this one, so you've got the rapid care 14, 30 or 44 minutes. And as you can see here, it says 14 minutes at the moment, and all we need to do is press the button there and it will toggle between the 3 different options, so between 14, 30 and 44 minutes. And the load sizes go with the time. So if you were to select the 14 minutes, then that has a maximum capacity of 1.5 kilograms. The 30 minute has a maximum capacity of 2.5, and the 44 minute has a maximum capacity of 3.5 kilograms. And these can be really good quick programs. So if you've, for example, had a school kit emergency, so if you need to wash, say, the kids' sports kit in the morning, then if you only got a couple of items, I'd recommend just stick it on the 14-minute wash. Really good, just as a really quick wash. Then you've got a chance of getting them to school on time. And I know that from first-hand experience. The last program on here is called the Cotton Care 59. But with this program, this is, as you can see, a 59-minute program, and it guarantees excellent results for cotton laundry. This option was designed to cut washing times at medium temperatures for medium soil cotton laundry. And basically they just recommend filling it halfway, as I just mentioned, maximum 4 kilograms. With any of the programs that I've mentioned, where you've got a maximum capacity less than the full 8 kilograms, if you were to put the full load in on, for example, this program, all that happens is it will still wash in 59 minutes, but the washing performance won't be half as good as you would expect it to be. So I'll quickly show you some of the other options along here. I've already showed you the spin speed and the temperature options. This one, as well as selecting the 14, 30 or 44 minute option, if I move around here, then you can actually select the stain level. So as standard, so you've got level 1 at 1 hour 37, level 2 at 2 hours 12, and then level 3 at 2 hours 50. So depending on the stain level that you've got, you can actually reduce the wash time. And that can be really good, again, if you're in a hurry to get your washing done. But if you're not in a hurry, then just allow it to do the full length of the program, because you will find that the performance of the wash will be a lot better. As you come on to the next option, this is the time delay. So you can delay it by up to 24 hours. I'm not going to go all the way up there, but that just allows you to delay the start of the program. So if you've got things like economy 7 or cheap electricity during the night, or if you just wanted to delay the start of the program, then you've got the option using that button there. On the right hand side, so if I just move that program around, one of the final buttons is this one, and the first option on here is the extra rinse. So if you've got somebody in the household that suffers with things like skin allergies, and if you just wanted to add an extra rinse at the end of the program, then just press that button there. The next option on here, and what I need to do is to select a 60 degree or above program, and this allows you, so this is called Hygiene Plus, and what this will do is this will maintain the high temperature throughout the wash. So if I was to select one of the lower temperatures at 40 or below, it won't activate. I'll just show you that. So if I select 40 degrees, and if I try to select the Hygiene Plus option, it flashes and then it just disappears. But the main advantage of using this option, because it maintains the higher temperature throughout the wash, then it allows deep cleaning of the clothes by maintaining that same temperature. So number 3 is called Easy Iron, And that function allows you to minimise creases as much as possible, eliminating the intermediate spins and reducing intensity of the final spin. But again, you are limited as to which options you can select on here. To open the door, nice and easy, what you need to do is just pull the handle like that, and then the door opens almost 180 degrees, not all the way, but nevertheless it's far enough out of the way that makes it easier to get the clothes in and out. As far as the door size, so the porthole in this, you're looking at around 32 centimetres or just under 13 inches. So it is a really good size to make it easy to get your clothes in and out of. As far as the energy label on the machine, I'll just show you that. As you can see, it's a B energy rating, which is actually very good. There are quite a few machines on the market that are higher than that are an A, but nevertheless, for the price of this machine, I actually think a B is pretty good. On average, so for 100 washes, you're looking around 55 kilowatt hours of energy. The main thing to mention at the bottom, first of all, to prove that it's an 8 kilogram load, it's a B efficiency for the spin, and that's really helped by having a 1400 RPM spin speed on it. But the other main thing to look at is the noise level at C, at 79 decibels. Now, the noise level is something I always try and point out to people, especially if you live in, say, an open plan area, a flat or apartment, then have a look at the noise level, because what you don't want to do is to pick a machine that's noisy, that can make it really frustrating when it's operating. Just show you around the back of the machine for installation purposes. As you can see, you've got 4 bolts here that have to be taken out. These are called transit bolts, and these hold the machine drum steady while it's in transit. But as I say, they have to be taken out before you even think about connecting the machine up, because if you don't, then it will damage the machine, and that would not covered under the warranty that Hoover offer. The other things to mention, first of all, you've got the waste connection at the bottom right, mains connection top left. Then at the top right, you've got the water connection, and you do get a new water hose with it. And it is recommended to try and use a new hose when you first connect the machine up. If you are using extended hoses, then at least take the washer out of here and put it into the hose, because that can really help to reduce you having a leak in the future. And I've had customers asking me what these cheeky little things are, and these are designed so that when you take the transit bolts out, they just clip into the back to stop you having a hole in the back of the machine. If you're thinking of purchasing one of these machines, I have provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Hoover H3W48TA4 8kg washing machine. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe, leave any comments below. I'd always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad, about the video. If there's something that you've come here to watch, if there's a question you've had, and if I've not covered it, then I've got this on display at the moment. Just pop it in the comments and I'll get back to you. Also, if you have got one of these, it doesn't necessarily have to be this machine. If you've got a Hoover washing machine that looks a bit like this, let me know what you think about it, because I always appreciate the feedback. Thanks for watching.